Oppo A5s. On-off button repair. We need to open the back cover. Put some alcohol. Find a small gap between the back cover. We need to open the back cover. Gently remove the back cover. There's fingerprint on the back. Be careful to not cut the ribbon. Take off all the back cover screw. Remove the fingerprint. Remove the phone housing. See the heavy damage ribbon. To replace the ribbon, we need to remove the main board. Don't forget to first unplug the battery. There's a screw on main board. Take it off. Remove the main board. Remove the ribbon. To make it easy, use alcohol. Remove damaged ribbon. Replace with the new ribbon. Insert the main board. Plug in the LCD connector. Connect the battery at last. Screw the main board. Install the phone housing. On-off button is functioning well. Screw all the back over screw. Install the fingerprint. Put on the adhesive. Put on the back cover. Tighten the back cover with rubber band. It's done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.